Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I brought another new mining project for you which you can mine and farm on both Android and iOS devices. The project is called EdgeX. So EdgeX is currently in its beta phase. It's an AI agent decentralized infrastructure project with the tagline Collect All Worlds. Overall, this AI-based project has a lot to offer. I tried exploring their website and found many things they've mentioned. You'll find a lot of details there. It's a Solana-based project and they're planning to launch EdgeX OS, providing a full business service. Their EdgeX app is available through which we can participate in earning or the airdrop. As you can see right now, they have two AI products. One is a node and the other is a server. Those who purchase their nodes will likely make a good profit. They've allocated separate rewards for them. I'll show you their token details. They've listed everything. Their partners are also mentioned and you can find all this on their website. Now let's explore their tokenomics. Their total supply is 1 billion tokens called EX tokens. Those who bought their nodes have been mining at 50%. The team and advisors will use up 150 million tokens. Investors will get 15% of the supply. And the foundation holds 20% 200 million tokens, which will be used for airdrops, marketing, community, and ecosystem building. You'll notice that 2.5% of the supply is dedicated entirely to the airdrop. Who will get the airdrop? Those who accumulate points. And who accumulates points? Those who download the EdgeX app, available on both iOS and Android. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 61k followers at the time of making this video. They're active here and share all the updates, which is another positive sign for a project. Now let's move on to how you can join this project. So go to the Play Store and search EdgeX. As you can see, this is the app. Now click here and install. Now open the app. Click on Create Account. Agree the terms. Here, enter your email. Click Continue. Now check your email. And type this code here. Now it asks for a referral code. I'll provide the code in the description so you can use that code to get 100 points free. After putting the code, hit submit. And now it's creating your wallet. So it's done now. Now click Enjoy EdgeX here. As you can see, this is your main app dashboard. As you can see, I've already got 100 points. Now click here on events. And click here get a 100 welcome bonus. Here, as you can see, you can get 200 points for every successful referral you make. Here, as you can see, some more tasks. So here in the drop talk section, you can chat with AI to get points. Let's click here, write something to interact, and when you chat 5 times, you will get 100 points. To receive the points, click here on events and click get. So it's done. So here, don't forget to claim your daily check-in points. Here you can view your total activity and points. In the wallet section, you can check your wallet details with more updates coming soon. So I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. And here in the invite section, you can share your referral link with friends to boost your points. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.